Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to clear all history on Trust Wallet. First, you just need to open the Trust Wallet application, then confirm your identity by entering the passcode, and after that you just need to go to the history section. Here you'll find the history icon here. So you just need to tap on it, and from here you will find all the history that are associated with your account or your activity on this account. So here you can see I don't have any history right now on my Trust Wallet, but if you have story here the listed here, then you will find a trust icon at the top right corner. You can just simply tap on the trust icon, and you will find the pop-up section where it will ask that if you are sure or if you are confirmed that you want to delete all of your story. Then you have to tap on the delete button in the blue color, the navy blue color. Then it will just immediately delete all of your story and it will appear like this. So that's how you can just easily clear all history on Trust Wallet. Hope you find this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.